Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is 12:28 p.m. on September 24th. Well, I've been a little MIA for a few days. Had a lot of stuff going on. But let me tell you what. Boy, if we had some activity. I'm playing this at quarter the speed. We have had a lot of activity going on. This bugger pops off 2 M-class flares. And then we have a C-class flare that happened just today. Now, when you watch, you'll actually see it come off. There's a lot of ejectile that comes out from back here. This thing, yep, see that? And then this thing ends up going off, and it sends a tsunami down the back, down on the underside. But guess what? It's also coming our way. Like you saw that come straight out. That's literally straight out. This is Earth facing. Okay, this thing also interacts. I'll show you on another one. See, there's another one. And this thing also interacts in a different angstrom. I'll show you. But yeah, she's not happy. So that was yesterday, and then today, you'll see her give another one off. Boom, there she is. That's directly facing the Earth, right at us. No missing us whatsoever. Let's go over here to this guy. Alright, again, I've got everything playing a little bit slower. Oh, come here, you. There we go, start her over. And yeah, you'll see a bunch of little friends on here going up and down. Yep, there's one. I've got it playing slow on purpose, so that way you can see the date, time, and when she pops off. I'm going to get some more screenshots. I'll do another one. I'll do another video later on this evening of all the screenshots of all my little friends. Alright, now we should see it coming off. There's one. Boom. You see all that? You see that wave, that tsunami wave that came down here? She can give off another one. I believe the second one is when this one pops off after that. Boom. Whoosh. You see that? That's all Earth facing. Yeah, buddy, coming right at us. See, she's still popping off little ones. Boop, 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 boop. So we are in constant B flare. Boom, there's another one. Oh, you see that other little friend there? And another one there. There's a bunch of them. Bunch of them. Well, let's come on back over to here. And we'll hit play on him. And once again, we're going to see some friends. Get off of that so you can see the date and time. There we go. Oh, there was one friend. Blocking it. Oh, there's another. There's some more flashing. But make sure you pay. See that? I mean, that was another little flare. Now, that was a good one. Now, did you see that wave, that whoosh, come down? Second one that it gives off. Oh, come on, here we go. The second one that it gives off. Watch the top one. Boom. Watch this. Whoosh. See that? That's coming off. That's coming right at us. Oh, there was another friend. We got one more that should come off right about here, facing right at us. Ooh, there was one over here. Did you see that? I didn't even see that one before. Yeah, buddy. Fun times, folks. Fun times. All those little X's that you're seeing, every single one of those are flares. Every one of them. Every single one. Okay, here we are. Watching this booger, 193 angstroms. You can see when she actually pops, you'll see the tsunami, the solar tsunami, pop off. Quite impressive, actually. We've got it going at half the speed, so that way it's not going too slow. Boom! Did you see that? And she'll do another one, and keep an eye on up here. Once you see the wave, there's one wave. Watch, whoosh. See that? This right here is a coronal hole. This was facing us, so we have a lot of solar winds coming from that, and looks like another coronal hole is going to be forming right here. Oh, buddy. So right after that, all that's coming up at us, and we're going to have more solar winds. I mean, that's a coronal hole. This is a coronal hole. Oh, yeah. Our sun is ticked. And if you actually watch, you'll actually see little pops and stuff going off this way, too. Do you see that one there? Boom. Boom. So this one goes, and then this one goes. There's no way we're not going to be impacted with this, folks. No way whatsoever. There's no hiding it. Doesn't matter what they say, whatever. We're going to be getting it. Yeah, buddy. And with our magnetosphere being weak, because our poles are moving, in case those who don't know, our poles are shifting. They've been shifting, not just like, oh, like it's normal. No, it's moving at a very alarming rate. Should not be going that fast, but it is. This is a cycle. It happens every 3,600 years, supposedly. About every 12,000 years, we have a major one where our poles actually like flip. They'll take the they're actually coming together. North and South Pole are actually going to meet in the middle, which is kind of head scratching. Like, how in the hell is that possible? But it is. And then they move to their other location that they are known for. Hopefully everybody was watching this while I was talking. Which is known as the Bermuda Triangle and the Devil's Triangle in the Indian Ocean, which is on the direct opposite side. And of course, those of you who know me know that this is my favorite one. You can see so much activity with this one right here. You can see every explosion, tsunami. You see the force of it. Oh, look at that. That was gorgeous. Ooh. Oh, ugly, but beautiful. Very beautiful. Let's go take a peek at our, here we are at Space Weather Prediction Center. You can see here yesterday we had a heavy M class and another M class with associated CMEs, and then today so far we've had a C class. That's what we saw earlier just a little bit ago, and then here's another B class that popped off. 1600 minus 5 around 11 o'clock Central Standard Time. But more importantly, please realize, look at this. Here's B between here and here. We live in B class. Like, we live here in constant B all day, every day. Right here, K4, KP index. We're definitely getting it here. And then let's go over to Space Weather Enthusiasts and see if we can see any X-rays that we got absorbed with. Well, there's that. And of course, we know that these are bullcrap. It's the opposite direction. Look at this. G5, or excuse me, level 5 G1 storms. We will be getting that. Of course, we'll get to the LASCO C3 and C2 here shortly. See what they show us here on this, if they're even accurate at all. I kind of doubt it. Ooh, look at that. Heavy winds. Very nice. Not really. Lots of plasma. Oof. I don't know why they even bother with this. It's like these two should be flipped. Really, I think these two should be flipped. That's what would seem to be more accurate, honestly. Let's go here and see if we can get any kind of radiation absorption on our prediction chart. Probably not going to be that much, if any, because we're behind the 8 ball. We definitely had some serious absorption yesterday. You can always go to worldnewsreport.com or World News Report today, James Kaufman, and you can look at some of his videos from a couple of days ago, and he'll definitely show you. You can actually see that we are on an uptick. Right here is our prediction for our solar cycle. These are prediction values, and as you can see, we are well above it. Yikes! I don't know how cool I am about that. Oy. Here we are at the European Space Agency, and we are looking at their Enlil model, which seems to be way more accurate. for some fun reason. Yeah, here you can see where it's definitely, I mean, this is kind of a glancing blow, but not really, because we really get impact with it. We're talking about 40 centimeters cubed. Anything over 10 centimeters cubed, yeah, you're pretty much doubling your risk for cancer. Yeah, not good. And we are about right here. Boop. I don't know why they haven't updated this, because today is the 24th, so really I believe we're like right around here on the downswing. So we definitely got blasted yesterday. Fun times. But according to NASA, all you had to do is just go get in a hammock. You know, just kind of chill out and absorb the sun. No big deal, right? Here we are at Lasco C3, Soho Movie Theater. Let's take a peek at those explosions, shall we? And yes, there are quite a few friends. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Yeah, you see it coming off the left side, coming off the bottom. Yeah, we're getting some of that. We're getting a lot of that, actually, folks. Not too fun. Not too fun at all. But you can definitely hit pause, and you can put all of this in, and you can absolutely take a peek at it yourself. Nothing wrong with that whatsoever. Right here, we're over at Lasco C2. And we'll go ahead and hit play on this baby, and we'll take a peek at what we got coming. Again, lots of friends. Ooh, look at that. Quite a nice chunk there. Ooh, here's the second one. See how it comes off more on the bottom? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I advise everybody to go here, hit pause. See what when it does that little bit for us, that little bloop, that gives us a lot of information. In fact, I might just do that here for everybody here. Ooh, there we go. Pause. Oh, I love it when it does this. Because when you do that, you see the disc, the solar disc, it's actually right here covering it. But what is that? And then you can see on the top side, what is that right there? That's very, very interesting. You can get so much information when it does this. So much. I mean, that is a direct blast right at the satellite, aka right at us. Plain and simple. No questions asked. Let's go take a look at seeds, shall we? Alright, here is seeds. And here we go. Let's take a look. Now this is from the 22nd. Oh, look at that. Round object there. We can't really get everything. Oh, look, there's another one right there. We can't really get everything that we want to be able to get. They've actually got some days that we can't. Like yesterday, the 23rd, they actually have that day pulled. And I can't see it. Let me show you. See that? See right here? Usually it's available. I should be able to see it, but it won't let me see it. We were looking at the 22nd. They have the 23rd off. What's the deal with that, huh? What's the deal with that? What's the dealio, Keelio? That's just not even right. Then here we'll take a look at it this way. Oh, there's a nice little round object coming there. Oh, by the way, this is Earth facing. Stereo head, this is Earth facing. Whoa, what is that guy? How you doing? What is that? What is that? Pay attention, folks. Please be careful. Keep your eyes open. Eyes to the skies, really. Everybody needs to be paying attention. I sound a little cruddy today because this morning they did nothing but crop dust our area with chemtrails. Trying to block up, and now it's just completely cloudy. And I've been sneezing all morning. I haven't sneezed in over a week. Over a week. These chemtrails will do it to me every time. Stay safe, folks. I guess they're trying to put graphene or something inside of, which is really bad. It makes an effect on the human body when it comes to the coronal mass ejections. So be safe, everybody. I love you. Hopefully we'll all see each other on the other side.